Is Tele Latino safe, or is it just another scam? I've done a deep dive into the world of this streaming app, and here's what you really need to know. First off, no, Tele Latino isn't a scam in the sense that it'll steal your credit card and run, but that doesn't mean you're in the clear. The biggest issue? Security. Cybersecurity experts basically scream don't do it. When it comes to installing Tele Latino on your phone, tablet, or smart TV, apps like this, built outside the official app stores, are a magnet for malware and shady code. That means you could be putting your personal info, passwords, and even your device itself at risk. Next up, let's talk legality. Tele Latino doesn't actually have licenses for the movies and shows it streams. That's a massive red flag. Authorities in a bunch of countries are constantly blocking or shutting down these kinds of pirate apps. So even if you pay for a subscription, you could lose access at any moment, and there's no refund button. And let's not forget the user experience. Yeah, you might find a huge library of content, but the app is packed with ads, and a ton of users complain about endless buffering or shows just not loading at all. It's kind of like rolling the dice every time you hit play. So, is Tele Latino a scam? Technically no. But is it safe? Absolutely not. If you care about your device, your privacy, and your money, I'd say skip it and stick to legit services. Stay smart, stay safe, because free isn't always worth the risk.